Uh, Today is our presentation, and today is 26th January 2025, and I am celebrating Republic Day. And our topic is Swarnim Bharat Virasat and Vikas. I will present our topic. And under Swarnim Bharat Virasat and Vikas. First of all, understanding the theme Swarnim Bharat Virasat and Vikas. Swarnim Bharat translate to Golden India and symbolizing aspiration for prosperity and inclusivity. And the phrase Virasat and Vikas meaning development and heritage. And the emphasis the importance of preserving culture and legacy while fostering growth and innovation. And second point is element of Swarnim Bharat and Virasat and Vikas. Cultural heritage. The theme seeks to showcase India's diverse traditional language and custom that have shaped its identity over century. And second point is development. It emphasizes progress in various sectors such as technology, economy, education, and infrastructure illustration, and how is India involving in a global landscape. And third point is inclusivity. The theme aims to present a unified vision where every state and union territory to contribute national narrative. And next point is historical construct. India's journey toward modernization has been deeply intertwined within rich heritage, and the country boasts a vast array of the historical sites and and this historical constant is a crucial understanding the significance of theme Swarnim Bharat Virasat and Vikas. And next point is heritage sites in India. India is a home to 14 UNESCO World Heritage, reflecting its architecture, brilliance, and culture diversity. And these sites range from ancient temple to the colonial structure, each telling a unique story about India past. And first heritage is Taj Mahal and location Agra and significant symbol of love and Mughal architecture. And second is Qutub Minar, location Delhi and significance is tallest brick minaret in the world. And third is Hampi, location Karnataka, a significance ancient city, stunning ruins. And fourth is Ajanta Caves, location Maharashtra, and significance rock cut Buddhist caves and execute art. And last Red Fort and location Delhi, and significance historic fort and symbolizing India independence. And now I tell a recent initiative. And first is Digital India initiative, aiming to transfer India into a digital empowered society. And this innovation promotes digital literacy rural across. And the second point is smart city mission. This program focus on developing urban infrastructure and while promoting the tradition while promoting tradition, design and local culture into modern architecture. And third is Atmanirbhar Bharat, a vision that encourages local manufacturing and innovation while. And next point is Tableau's presentation. During Republic Day 2025, Tableaux from 15 state and union territory will be showcased, and these Tableaux will creatively represent their unique culture, heritage and development milestones. And next point is significance of theme and national pride. It fosters a sense of pride among citizens by celebrating India's achievement and culture richness. And second point is awareness. It raises awareness about the preserve heritage and while embracing. And and next point is unity in diversity. By showcasing contribution in a various states, it promotes unity in diversity. And unity in diversity, a core principle of India democracy. And next point is culture is spectacles at the parade. On Republic Day, a various initiative highlight India diverse culture legacy, and over 1,000 across from the nation will perform folk and classical dance. And next point is cultural performance. Kathak from Kerala, Bhangra from Punjab, and Odissi from Odisha. And next point is technology innovation, AI development. By showcasing innovation in artificial intelligence that are and the last conclusion. The theme Swarnim Bharat Virasat and Vikas serve as a powerful reminder for India's journey become a global leader. And Swarnim Bharat Vikas just not a theme, but a vision for India, where tradition meet progress. That's all.